Hi dancers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about getting stuck in your grand rond de jambe en l'air, going from second to arabesque. Before we get started, make sure you hit the button below and subscribe to my channel. So have you ever felt like you're in second position with your développé and then all of a sudden you feel like you're stuck when you go to the back and you get into arabesque? Well, I'm going to talk to you about how to clear that hip joint and make sure that it's healthy for your labrum and that you don't increase any risk of labral tearing or hip impingement problems. So when you're in second position développé, you don't want to think about just going straight back to that arabesque. Otherwise, everything's going to get pinched up there, and your actual ball of the hip joint, the femoral head, is going to get pinched off. It's not going to be able to rotate back and then maintain that same height of your arabesque that you want. So when you take your leg to second position, instead of going straight back, I want you to think of reaching the toe out, opening the hip, thinking of little toe going up to the ceiling, and then coming around back into that arabesque that you want to be in. So instead of this, you're thinking about reaching, elongating, lifting, and then going back into your arabesque. I hope this quick tip has helped you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out the Veronica K Platform for more injury prevention and dance strengthening and enhancing techniques.